Spring is right around the corner. I have gone ahead and ordered some parts for the GSF so I could stand out a little bit this season, make it look extra nice with the Vossen wheels that are going to be on it. In today's video, we're going to unbox some carbon fiber side skirts for the GSF. Got my boy Frenchie chilling with me today. Say hi, Frenchie. Lily. Lily, come here. There she is. Little terrorist. Anyway, guys, right here are the carbon fiber side skirts for the Lexus Gsf. The kids have already approved of these. I think they're pretty decent. So I did take them out of the box since the box is pretty huge, but they did come very well packaged, no doubt about that. No chances of them being bent or damaged during shipping, which is great for the shipper. Let's get right into it. Let's open these up so I can show you what they look like. Spread these out here. Alright, so as you could see, we got the passenger side right here, because this back piece lip is going to be on the passenger side. This is the inner portion of that's going to go underneath the car. You have a few mounting holes where you're going to drill out and then mount it to the body of the car. Have a look at that weave. It's fairly decent for being a cheap eBay part. I mean, I'm super excited to get these on the car. Little dusty, but so you got your mounting hole that you're gonna drill out right here, mock it up to the car. I mean, these are very lightweight. As you can see, you can pick it up fairly easily. These are Lexon style. So the look of these is copied from Lexon, but I got these on eBay because I don't believe in paying full price for carbon fiber pieces that cost over $1,000. The future videos, we got more videos coming. So the paint on these is a little dull, so I'm going to polish these up and put a ceramic coating to protect them in future videos. So make sure you're subscribed below to stay up to date with all those videos that I'm going to be posting in the next week.